Hey, it's me, Alex. And in this video, I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new ADASuite software. Now, this software helps you compliance your website and your clients' websites to be as compliant as possible. If your website is not ADASuite compliant right now, you are leaving yourself open from major lawsuits. This is why ADASuite is a must-have for every website owner today. And the beautiful thing is that ADASuite works in just 3 simple steps, and as such anyone can use it to achieve maximum results. Let me show you in action. As you can see, this site right here is currently not compliant. Okay, using ADASuite, let's fix this website in just a couple of minutes from my dashboard. Step 1. Log in to ADASuite portal. Step 2. Make a campaign. Create a campaign for your website to generate your accessibility profile and compliance code. I'll click on Campaign, then click on Create Campaign, enter campaign name and choose Options. Alright, you can see there are multiple accessibility options to do that. You can fully customize your accessibility profile, but note that everything comes properly set up and ready to go by default over. Here on the bottom you can set up an accessibility policy statement on your site. This is important and required as one of the compliance requirements, as it informs your site visitors of your level of compliance from. You can choose the default one or can embed yours as well. You can set up epilepsy safe mode for your website. This option enables people with epilepsy to use the website safely by eliminating the risk of seizures that result from flashing or blinking animations and risky color combinations. You also have the cognitive disability mode. This mode provides different assistive options to help users with cognitive impairments such as dyslexia, autism, CVA, and others to focus on the essential elements of the website more easily. Next is the ADHD friendly mode, the blindness mode, and a host of other accessibility options. As you can see right here. Next is the readable experience option, which gives you accessibility options like text magnifier, highlight links, and a host of others here. You can customize the visual pleasing experience option. This gives you accessibility. As you can see, Complete Suite gives you a lot of accessibility options that make your website as compliant as possible. Alright, once you are done customizing your accessibility campaign, click on the Submit button. And then on Embed Script to grab your unique compliance code. So finally, we'll just have to paste this on the website and we are good. And Step 3. Embed and ensure 100% compliance. Add code to your website and you are good to go. So I'll just head over to my website. Admin area, take note. This is a simple HTML website, but ADASuite works for any kind of site and on any kind of website builder or WordPress-based site. So I'll go over to the header section and paste the code right here and click on Save. Remember, this is all happening in real time. As you can see, it's super quick and easy, anyone can do it, and it takes only a few minutes. Alright, let's have a second. Look at the website now. Awesome. I now have a compliance icon that makes my website accessible and compliant. All you need to do is click on the icon and the accessibility options pop up. And that way the website is now way more accessible for anyone that has any potential disabilities. Let's quickly go over a few of them. You can see now how quick and easy was that to set up. From the Update campaign area, you can further customize your accessibility profile. How cool is that? And all the changes are updated in real time. See, are you not blown away by how easy it is to set things up and get your or your client's website as compliant as possible? I'm sure you are. Wait to see you inside the members area. Thank you.